put more? Oh, wait.
Eat your vegetables. Eat your vegetables.
Hi Veggie Fam, it's your girl Natasha. If this is your first time here, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications so that you can become a part of the Veggie Fam too. Okay, so in today's video, as you can see guys, we are going to be eating, you barely see me pass this whipped cream. We're gonna be eating a strawberry and whipped cream pancakes. Oh my gosh. Again, if you hear any noise in the background, that's my son and my daughter, okay? So, we're gonna pray for this food, and then we're gonna get right into it, y'all. Right into it. Father God, thank you for this food. Please bless the hands that prepared it. Also pray for my subscribers that they're having a blessed and awesome day, Jesus, that they have food on their table as well. Jesus, in your name I pray, amen and amen. Okay, so, take a little thumbnail. Okay, I think that should be good, yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, this side too? Alright. So, I'm gonna go from the back because it's easier for me to see and easier for me to dig into. Okay, and we're just gonna get the whipped cream like that. You guys can have the first bite. No syrup needed. Did I get it? No, I didn't. I don't know if you can see the steam. Ooh. So we are going to get into topic, y'all. So these are some questions that I found on the internet on Google, guys, and I just thought it would be fun to just play with you guys. Yeah, so it's like hypothetical questions. I thought some of them were so funny and ridiculous, like for real. Okay, so the first one is, you're walking in a forest and you find a black suitcase. Inside it holds $1 million and a piece of paper stained in blood with a single word, don't. Would you take this suitcase home or leave it? I would it matters, like, am I some more syrup. Oh, whipped cream. So yeah, it all matters. Like, am I just a single woman, like just traveling, and I don't know. That's pretty creepy. I hope I never have to go through that. But guys, it's $1 million in a suitcase. Just sitting there, okay? I mean, what would you do? Matters the situation, I probably would take it. I don't know. Just saying. Alright, so next one. Okay. You are at work. This Fearing an intercepted code. You learn two things about your enemy. A single spot in their defense will be at its weakest in 10 days. And they will attack on one of your sites in 5 days. This person never saw any speller. What do you do with this information? What is the most efficient course of action? Okay, so this one is not hard at all. Okay, it's my enemy. I'm at war. What am I gonna do? Of course, I'm going to use that information and attack. What do you attack? I know fully well. Okay, so that one was not so hard. The first one was pretty hard too. It's just like, do not touch this money. It's written in blood when you touch it. That was a hard one. Number 2 was not that hard. Okay, so the next one. If you could really sell your soul. Okay, I'm not gonna say this one because I don't believe it. Okay, so you find a book and begin to read only to discover that it is your life. You get to the point that you are at now. Do you turn the page knowing that you will not be able to change the events to come? Guys, like, for real? Where's the whipped cream? I don't know. If it's something I could probably, it says I can't change the event, so. I would have to say, I wouldn't want to know. I wouldn't want to know. Whatever happens, make it happen, but I'd rather just live my life and not being fair. So whatever's on the next page can be either good, really good. I mean, if it's saying I'm about to be a millionaire, I'm about to, start doing really good, yeah, I want to know, but what if I find out something I don't want to know? Okay, so let's see what else. Okay, if you got to choose between 50 years of being incredibly happy or to live forever and be unhappy, what would you choose? Come on, y'all. You guys can do better. Let me reread this because this makes no sense. If you got to choose between 50 years of being incredibly happy or to live forever and be unhappy. Oh, so one you only have 50 years and one you have living forever and being unhappy. I don't know who would pick to live for eternity and be depressed and stuff, like, or unhappy. Like, it would be just a miserable. Way to live. Okay, look at what I have so far. Okay. I'm gonna keep going a little bit more because that stuff is good. I'll save some milk. This was not store-bought. This was all home. I made this all at my house. Okay. Strawberry syrup, the whipped cream I bought with pancakes. Ooh, okay. Your girl can cook. Okay. She can cook. Okay, so let's go to the next one. This is getting good. I mean, the other one was a no-brainer, but then again, that's just for me. That's just what I think. Other people, they might say, okay, I'd rather live forever because, I just want to live. I want to be immortal. So, And they don't care about being unhappy. Wow. Not me. If you could learn any one skill in the world without trying, like Matrix learning style, which would you pick? Okay, if I can learn any skill, okay, it'd probably be, I was gonna say how to do my nails, but that's not. That's hard for me. That is so hard for. Oh, yeah, I know. I would. I would. I would choose to learn Spanish, y'all. I have been trying to learn Spanish for the longest. If I had a skill to choose, I can learn it instantly like that. Definitely Spanish. Okay. You are offered a pill that makes you 25% more intelligent, but permanently removes your hair, including eyebrows. Do you take it? This is funny, man. Oh my gosh. Would I take it? Intelligence on my hair. Wait. I definitely would choose the intelligence. Why? You ask. Okay. If you are, wait, what was I saying? Okay, listen here. We have weaves, we have fake eyelashes, we have all type of stuff, okay? So if I have no eyebrows, I have no lashes, I have no hair, guess what? I can go and buy it all, unless I have the finances to do so. So, yes, I'll take it. I'll definitely take that. Yeah. Wait, I didn't read the question all the way. It was a pill. You know how sometimes you have to read the question like twice? It's only 25%. It only makes you smart by 25%. Please, that's not worth. I mean, it matters like, am I in a life or death situation? Like, do I need, some kind of surgery to save someone's life, like instantly? Ah, that's all there is I can think of. Otherwise than that, I'll say a no. I'll take that back. I wasn't reading properly. Okay, let's see what else, because this is getting fun. Okay, if Jurassic Park were real, would you visit it? Heck nah, I barely like it. It's not that I don't like animals, it's just that, I meant to say that I don't even like alligators. I don't like snakes, I don't like alligators. So why would I want to go to Jurassic Park? Why would I want to go there? I would scare my pants. Okay. If a zombie plague were to start right now, where would you hold up? Okay. I'm not going to answer this one because I don't know how to answer this and I don't know what I would do, to tell you the truth. So I'm going to move on to the next one. All right. Yeah, let's do that. If you could change one thing about how the human body has evolved, what would it be? I don't know. I don't really like this question. I really don't like this question. Let's see if there's a next one, because, I mean, I don't know. I don't know. Okay, so, let's see. If you were a superhero, which of your friends would you pick as your sidekick? And what would your respective powers be? Okay, so my friend that I would choose is my husband, because of course he's my best friend. Yep, my best friend. And what would your respective powers be? My powers would be, I will be able to fly, okay, so I don't have to walk. I can just fly and just not really have to move much. What else? I would want to be able to run really fast, like speed. I just want to be like Superman. Like, you know how Superman has everything. He can run fast. He can shoot lasers from his eyes. He can do all that. That's what I would want. Hope I'm answering these questions properly, because, what historic figure would make the worst ghost to be haunted by? I can't even answer this. Like, for real. Like, what kind of question is this? Okay. I don't even know. Let's see. Let's find like probably like two more. Okay, now this one is like, okay, I don't want to think about how old I will be. Okay, if you could ask your future self from the year 2050, one question, what would it be? I mean, I'll probably ask them, tell you the truth, I don't know. I'll probably ask them if what happened to me, so I can probably try to prevent certain things. I don't know. I mean, I think about the future and stuff like that, but I don't want to think that far. 2050, pretty old for me. I mean, I'd be pretty old. Right. We're in 2020, 30, 40, 50. Okay, I'm not even gonna think about that. So let's just go on to the next one. Okay. This is the last one. Okay, so this one's really interesting. This is the last one. We're gonna just, Okay, would you accept a $30,000 a week job offer where you get paid to sit in a pitch black room and do nothing for 8 hours a day? And I just want to say heck to the nah, okay? I will not be doing that. I do not do dark. I don't like being in the dark, especially for 8 hours. I mean, they didn't say by myself or not. The money is not worth it. I get so sad. Just sitting there. Couldn't bring my phone, couldn't do anything, or sit there in the dark. You know what I'll do? I'll probably just take a nap and go to sleep. That's probably what I'll do. And guys, so here we go. I said in every video, I'm going to start eating a vegetable. So I have for me some celery, okay? I know it don't go good with, what's it called? Pancakes, but it's okay to eat on the side.
Eat your vegetables.
Really refreshing. It's all about balance. No diets here, just balance. You can have your junk food. Just don't overdo it. And you can have your healthy food and still be able to enjoy your junk food. Okay, that's good for me. For fresh. Okay. Okay, so guys, this is how much I ate. This is how much pancakes I ate. So good. So delish. You don't need maple syrup for this. All you need is just, yeah, the strawberry. Because it was sweet enough, not too sweet, not too overpowering. Awesome. Okay. Okay, so if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe below. Again, I make new videos almost every single day and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh my gosh, these pancakes were so good. Oh my gosh.